अगर आप कैबिन क्रू बनना चाहते हो बट कंफ्यूज हो कि कैसे प्रिपेयर करें, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। बिकॉज यहाँ मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप बताने वाली हूँ कि आपको कैबिन क्रू बनने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, एग्जैक्टली कैसे प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए। ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना, बिकॉज बहुत सारे एस्पिरेंट्स ये गलती करते हैं। सबसे पहले रियलिटी समझो। कैबिन क्रू जॉब इज नॉट अबाउट ग्लैमर. It's about safety, responsibility, handling passengers, staying calm under pressure. अगर आप सिर्फ travel के लिए आ रहे हो तो you are not ready for this. You are not prepared for it actually. What airlines actually check when you go for the interview? There are 5 things that the airline check when you go for the interview. First is your communication. How you speak, how you interact. They really want to see you will be able to interact with people or not. Almost 180 passengers से daily communicate करते हैं. Second is confidence. It should be natural, not fake. Overconfidence नहीं होना चाहिए. When you go for the interview, people should like the interviewer should see you as a confident person, not overconfidence. Third is grooming. Neat, professional and presentable. You should be neatly dressed. I prefer wearing a pastel color shirt, knee length skirt and stockings with 2 inches of heels, and neatly there should be a bun. There shouldn't be any baby hair, or hair should not be falling on your face. Keep a very light lipstick, eyeshadow halka sa and mascara with a very thin eyeliner. You should not be making a wing, or dramatic eyeliner is not allowed. I prefer going as a very simple but subtle makeup, not overdone makeup. Just remember that there is a myth that cabin crew बहुत ज़्यादा makeup करती हैं. That's not true. You just have to be presentable. Keep your nail paints very neat, and it should like your nails should be cut properly in shape. It should be filed properly with a very neat nail paint. That's it. You don't need too much makeup. Wear small pearl earrings. Rings. Don't wear too many rings, just one ring over here or here. That's it. Don't wear any thread. If you're wearing any kada, it should be very thin kada. Basically, be presentable, not overdo it. Okay. Then come body language. Eye contact is very important. Posture and smile. Now always keep eye contact. That shows that you're confident. Little hand gestures when you're talking, that really helps. It shows that you're not nervous. Then always keep your shoulders straight, sit straight and don't slouch. So all these body language interviewers, they notice. So always keep these things in mind. Just be calm. Don't overreact in pressure. They try to make you nervous during the interview. They cut you in the middle and try to ask different questions from your answer. So don't be nervous. They're testing your patience, your confidence, how you handle pressure when you're nervous. So they see all these things. So don't be scared during the interview. Now communication skills. You have to be fluent in Hindi and English, which means not very fancy words, very clear grammar and fluency in English and Hindi. Whatever you are saying, you should be very friendly and interactive. They want to see your communication skills whenever they talk to you. So you have to be very professional but also very interactive. You need to be very interactive when you talk to them. अब बात करते हैं प्रेपरेशन की. सबसे पहले आपका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करते हैं. सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन शुड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग. It should be short, clear and role focused. Second is common questions that come like why cabin? Why do you want to become a cabin crew? What are your strengths, weaknesses? कस्टमर सर्विस एक्सपीरियंस क्या है आपका? ये सब वो ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू पूछते हैं. तो आपको मिरर प्रैक्टिस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप डेली बात करिए, अपने आप को रिकॉर्ड करिए, देखिए कि आप कहाँ पे मिस्टेक कर रहे हो. दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ ग्रूमिंग. और हेयर, स्किन, posture, dressing, सब कुछ important है. As I have informed you, what kind of dress you should be wearing, what kind of shirt and skirt you should be wearing. As I've told you, like keep it very minimum. Without practicing, confidence नहीं आ पाएगा. So practice is very important. The mistakes that you need to avoid is that memorized answers, overconfidence, fake accent, weak body language, and no role clarity. People think that cabin crew, they are just to serve water or coffee. They are waitresses. That is wrong. प्लीज रोल क्लैरिटी करके ही जाना। कैबिन क्रू जॉब एग्जैक्टली क्या है, ये यूट्यूब में वीडियोस आपको मिल जाएंगे अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो, और आप पीछे जाकर मेरी वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं। यू विल गेट टू नो द रोल क्लैरिटी ऑफ अ कैबिन क्रू विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ट्रैवल, ग्लैमर और सर्विंग फूड, ये सब बातें सोच कर जाओगे कैबिन क्रू रिलेटेड तो आपके रिजेक्ट होने के बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं। अब बहुत लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि इंस्टीट्यूट ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है या हम सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन करें, तो लेट मी टेल यू, इंस्टीट्यूट इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है। अगर आप डिसिप्लिन हो, सेल्फ स्टडी करते हो, तो आप विथ राइट गाइडेंस, विथ राइट डायरेक्शन आप खुद ही घर पे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो। मैंने भी खुद ही प्रिपेयर किया था घर पे, एंड देन ओनली आई वेंट फॉर द इंटरव्यू। मैंने कोई इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन नहीं किया था। अगर आप कैबिन क्रू बनने के लिए सीरियस हो तो रैंडम प्रिपरेशन मत करो, स्ट्रक्चर्ड प्रिपरेशन करो। अगर आपको गाइडेंस चाहिए, यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ मी, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब, बिकॉज यहाँ मैं आपको रियल गाइडेंस देती हूँ, नो फेक प्रॉमिसेस।